Hi, 4K friends. I really miss you guys. I can't wait to see your faces. But I thought I'd come and record a story for you guys so you can hear a really fun story that I enjoy. So get ready. Grab a blanket, grab a pillow, grab a brother or sister, and have a seat. And we're going to share, I'm going to share the story with you. Okay? The story is called Count the Monkeys. Count the Monkeys. Oh, there's Lambo. It's written by Mac Barnett and Kevin Cornell. Get ready, it's a funny one. This story was given to my daughter Taylor by her kindergarten teacher, Mrs. Roberts. Count the Monkeys. Hey kids, time to count the monkeys. It's fun. It's easy. All you have to do is turn the page and count the monkeys. Yikes! One king cobra has scared off all the monkeys. Turn the page very slowly and very carefully so he doesn't notice us. Look! 2 mongooses have chased away the cobra. 1, 2. Or is that 2 mongooses? I'm pretty sure it's 2 mongooses. Let's vote. Raise your hand if you think it's mongooses. Who thinks it's mongooses? Now raise your hand if you think it's mongooses. Or monkeys. Interesting. Turn the page. I bet the monkeys will come back. Uh-oh. 3 crocodiles frightened those mongooses. 1, 2, 3. I dislike crocodiles, especially these crocodiles. Move your hand in a zigzag while you turn the page. It will confuse them. All right, I'm going to zigzag. I'm going to move my hand, zigzag it back and forth. I never thought I would miss those crocodiles, but 4 grizzly bears are even worse. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're never going to count the monkeys. Okay, put your arms above your head. Make a loud roar. Roar. Bang together some pots and pans. Go find some pots and pans if you have them. But most importantly, turn that page. Oh no! 5 bee swarms drove off those bears. Bees can smell fear. Go lay down. Sorry, guys. Go lay down. Down. Oh no, 5 bee swarms drove off those bears. Bees can smell fear. You are not afraid, are you? Hum a happy tune and smile while you turn that page. Phew! 6 sweet old beekeepers have shooed off all those bees. Say thank you 6 times very politely. These ladies care about good manners. Let's practice. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you. Now, finally, the monkeys can come back. Turn the page and count the monkeys. Now, 7 wolves sent those old ladies packing. Wolves and grandmas never get along. This is very important. Don't look these wolves in the eyes. Let's count them. 1, don't look at them in the eyes though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In fact, cover your eyes while you turn the page. Oh dear. Okay, guys, what's on the next page? Oh, good. 8 lumberjacks took care of those wolves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thanks, guys. Now it's safe for the monkeys. Give each lumberjack a high five And then turn the page. Give them each a high five. There's 8 of them. Then we can count those monkeys. High five them. High five them all. Okay. Here we go. Wait a minute. Still 8 lumberjacks? And they seem to be settling in. Don't they understand that we're trying to count the monkeys? Tell these guys, scram! Tell them. Say it louder. Say it louder. Good. Let's turn the page. Great. 9 lumberjacks. They invited a friend. How are we going to get rid of them? Any ideas? What are your ideas? Tell somebody in your house what your ideas are. How should we get rid of these lumberjacks? Let's see. Look at that. 10 polka-dotted rhinoceroses with bagpipes and bad breath cleared out those lumberjacks. Was that your idea? Because it wasn't mine. Look, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Okay, we're finally ready. Oh no. It looks like we're out of pages. This is terrible. We made it to the end and there are 0 monkeys in this book. Now we'll never get to count the monkeys. Or will we? Oh. Go ahead and count the monkeys. Did you count them all? The end. Such a silly book. Again, this was the book Count the Monkeys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I miss you all. I can't wait to see you soon. I will surprise you with another story at some point in time. Enjoy your spring break and have fun with your families. And I will see you soon. Bye.